in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the display language on YouTube. So if you want to change it up in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user profile icon in the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then where it says language, go ahead and click inside of here. And you can select any language from the list. You can select English or a variety of other languages that YouTube/Google supports. And that's pretty much it. You may have to sign out and sign back in to get the settings to take effect, but that should be a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.